How to set up pre-orders on Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can create a pre-order product on Shopify because we all want to create more hype around our products. We want our products to be more frequently visited. We want to create a level of allure as well as increased demand for our products. And marking product as pre-order product, that is going to be a valuable asset to increase the marketability of your product. Now, you cannot do that natively with Shopify. However, by using a simple free application, you can easily create any type of free product. So to do this, we're going to head on over into our Shopify store. Once you are in your store dashboard, click on Settings on the bottom left and then click on Apps and Sales Channels. From here, open up your Shopify App Store. Now, once you do that, you are going to search for Easy Pre-Order. So this is a particular application. This is called Easy Pre-Order Presale Manager. Now, there are some other applications available that you can also check out, but the reason why I like this is that it does the job well, and it is super easy to set up, as well as the fact that it is completely free to use. So we're going to click on Install over here, and once we click on Install, a new tab will open up. From here, click on Install once more, and once you click on Install once more, you will be led to your Shopify dashboard once again. Now, in your Shopify dashboard, you can pin this to the left, and it's time to set up this plugin. To set this up, firstly, you're just going to go on ahead and click on Enable Theme Extension. Now, to enable this extension, you can directly click on this button, or you can follow the step-by-step guide. Just click on the button over here. On the top left, you're going to find your app embeds. It will automatically be enabled. Once it is enabled, just click on Save on the top right. If the button is not working for you, simply open up your Shopify store editor. Then over here, you will see at the leftmost panel, you have app embeds. Click on this, and then you will see your application. Just make sure it is turned on, and then click on Save. Once you've done that, you can head on over back into Easy Pre-Order. So once this has been added, we can move towards our next step, which is to actually set up our pre-order items. So for this, you can see right under Easy Pre-Order, you will find a section called Pre-Orders. You can click on Add Product over here, and you can see on the free plan, you can only create one pre-order product. For me, I only need one. However, if you want to build a pre-order collection, or if you want to use multiple products, if you want to add multiple products into your pre-order list, you can use another application as well. Now, I'm going to be adding, let's say I want my self-love book to be only available for pre-order. I'll click on Save over here. And once I've done that, you will see this is going to be my self-help book. Now you can click on the settings and then click on apply for all variants, because this will allow you to make sure that your pre-order rules are consistent for all types of variants. However, if you want to allow different rules for different variants, you can uncheck this option. Below that, you also have a pre-order rules. So pre-order regardless of inventory levels, pre-order only when out of stock, or specific inventory level. So let's say that when the level of items reaches under 10, then it will show pre-order, and until inventory reaches 0, then it will display out of stock. So you can set that up as well, or if you don't want to set up any product in this, you can just set it up at 0, and this will by default, when you have 0 listed in your inventory, it will list it as pre-order only instead of listing it as out of stock. But let's say that I wanted to display it for pre-order when I have less than 100 units. Below that, you can add a custom note with your pre-order, and once completed, your pre-order will be set up. Now for this, you also want to ensure that you have your inventory levels. So currently my inventory levels are set at 0. So I'm going to go back into my products and I'm going to edit the level of inventory I have. So I am just going to, now once you open up your product, you will also see the purchase options are now altered. So you can create new option and build another option as well. And you will see pre-order product, show this product with these purchase options. And then you can also alter the inventory. For me, I have not added this as a shippable product. So it is only going to be a digital product file. So I have displayed it like so. Now I'm going to go on ahead and open up the listing for this book. And currently, because I have a inventory level of higher than 10, it is going to display these buttons. But if I go on ahead, and this product will only be available with the sales channels, and I'm just going to save this new setting for this. And once I do save this new setting, especially if you are creating these digital products, which you don't actually track inventory for, then you are going to have to add this particular option. Or if you want, you can also add the inventory levels. That is up to your personal preferences. So I'm just going to wait for my new settings to take effect. And you will see, because it is a non-trackable inventory product, I have to enable this option. If it is tracked inventory, you don't have to enable this option whatsoever. But I'm just going to view this in my online store to see if the changes have currently taken effect or not. So we're going to remove these meta fields like so. So now I'm going to add an alternative product. So let's say that we want to go with our denim dress. So I'm again going to go into easy pre-order. From here, we're going to go into pre-orders on the left, click on add product, and I'm going to add this denim dress. And once I do that, I will click on save. And after I have done that, this will update my pre-order list. And it might take a couple of minutes to sync up. The notebook took quite a few minutes. It took 5 minutes for the pre-order to sync up because it has to take into account the level of inventory that you have added, especially if inventory is not tracked on a product. It can be difficult. So make sure that you are tracking inventory for the particular product that you are adding as a pre-order only product. Even if it is a digital product, you still want to track inventories for that. So now we're going to set this up for our denim dress as well. Now, regardless of your inventory levels, if you still want to display the pre-order only option, then you can go into pre-orders on the left. And once you go into pre-orders, so if I go into easy pre-order over here, I have my linen shirt added. I can click on edit. And instead of doing displaying pre-order only at a specific inventory level, I can always display the inventory levels. No matter what the inventory levels are, I can always display the pre-order only button. And then I can just click on save. And once I do that, I should be able to see my product only as a pre-order only option. Now, currently this is lagging a bit behind. It's taking a little longer to display the pre-order button, but if you wait a couple of minutes, your pre-order buttons should be displayed. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.